Hi, welcome to Math Pentagon. Let's learn prime numbers. Before we start, let's define prime number. Prime number is a number which can have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay, we have a question here. Before that, we have to listen what these two friends are talking about. There are two friends, 3 and 4. So let's find out what are they talking. 3 says, hey 4, we both are numbers, but still we are different. How? 4 says, yes, we are different because you are odd number, but I am an even number. Because I am divisible by 2, you are not. Also, I am not a prime number, but you are. I am not a prime number, but you are a prime number. Because you have only two factors. You are divisible by 1 and your number. So you are a prime number, but I am not because I have more than two factors. Let me show you. When I get divided by 1, we get 4. When you divide me by 2, result is 2. If you divide me by myself, you get 1. So I have more than two factors and I am not a prime number. But you are, because if we divide you by 1, we get 1, we get 3. We get 3. Okay, but my friend, you are not divisible by 2. The answer which we will get is in points. So that does not define prime number, because prime number is a whole number that can be evenly divided by 2. And of course you are divisible by yourself to get 1. So that is how we two are different. So this was the story about prime number, and now it's time to start with our question. First question. Is 17 a prime number? 17. As we can see here, 7 is the last digit in this number, which is not an even number. So it means this number 17, it is not divisible by 2, and also it has only two factors, because we do not get 17 in any table except the table of 1 and 17. So our if we have to check the answer, we will select B, because 17 is a prime number. Here we have second question, 58. Okay, first have a look, and we need to see whether it is a prime number. If it is whether it is an even number. If it is, then it will be divisible by 2, and we know that all even numbers greater than 2 are not a prime number. So it is a prime number because the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are all even numbers. And of course 58 is greater than 2. So according to the definition, according to the rule, all even numbers greater than 2 are not prime number. So we have answer no. But we see here there are 3 options stating no, and we have explanation as well. So we need to go through explanation for each. A says no, 58 is not divisible by 2, but this does not define prime number. What would be? It says no, 58 divisible evenly into another number. Okay. C says yes, which is not the answer, because 58 is it is a even number and it is not a prime number. D says no, 58 is divisible by numbers other than 1 and itself. So according to the definition of prime number, D should be the right answer. And here we go. So that was really easy. Let's try 34. Again, it will be easy and very quick step to figure out whether the last digit is even or odd. So here we see this is 34. 4 is an even number. It is an even number. So 34 it has more than 2 factors. We can divide it by 1 like this. We get this in other tables also, because it is divisible by 2 as well as other numbers. So here we have 34, but 34 can be divisible by 2 as well. So we get, what answer we will get is, we have to divide it. Okay, 2. So we get 2 times 3, that is 2 times 1, 2, and we have 7. So 17 times 2 is 34, and 34 is, it can be divided by itself to get 1. So we see here that it has more than 2 factors. It is not a prime number. We have got so many points to say that this is not a prime number. So answer cannot be yes. So what should be the answer? Okay, the answer is no, but again we have here 3 options stating no. We need to be very careful with the explanations given. 34 is not, it is divisible by numbers other than 1 and itself. Okay, it seems to be appropriate answer, but let's have a look for C and D as well. No, 34 divides evenly into another number. Okay. And D says no, 34 is not divisible by 2. So we find that 2 seems to be the most correct answer. So we are done with the questions. Thank you for watching Math Pentagon.